And that's good, like, and that makes you even, when you realize that you can break them down, I feel like into threes, then, or into A, B, C, A plus B, whatever you do, then I feel like you can be more picky because you know, wait a minute, let me check. Are these EMAs good? Is this L50 as good as it can be? Even here, technically, this is a swapping liquid 50, so this definitely couldn't be an A setup. You know what I mean? Here's your changeover of day. You could say what you want. Like, it's a great liquid 50, but it's not perfect. You know what I mean? So you still have to be very, we would call it, back in the day, we used to say being binary. Yes or no. Is it swapping? Is it not? Yes or no. Does it matter how much? Not in this question. It's just yes or no.
It's December 1st. What are you working on?
This morning, I just got off the Black Shirt call. Right now, I am adding some things to the course. It's interesting. After I do the call with the guys, I always think of new ways to teach things and like bring it to other people. So I like to take the stuff that I take from the call with them and like throw it right into the next piece of content that I'm creating for everybody. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna fill up my water real quick. This morning, guys, we're getting ready to take some pictures, some new thumbnail cutouts here, right? You can show them. We got the camera set up, and you need a white backdrop when you do this because we gotta cut them out on Photoshop. It makes it way easier. So we're getting this done today, but like Riley said, it is the first day of December, so we're excited because we're gonna be filming a lot more for you guys. We're gonna be doing daily videos here for the next 25 days leading up to Christmas. I think the main reason why I wanna do this is to show you guys that we can bring value on top of a little bit of entertainment. So where the vlogs are gonna go as far as their focus is very, very simple. Number one, it's gonna be trading focused. We're gonna be thinking about what type of value can we bring to you, the trading community, through entertaining vlogs, showing our vacation, showing the lifestyle that we have, while not focusing on that. So that's the first thing that we're gonna do with the vlogs. The second thing is gonna be giving you guys a little bit more the behind the scenes of our business and what it means to actually grow a business online in 2020 and in 2021 going into the next year. So with those two things being the focus of the vlog, the trading content and growing a business in 2020, you guys are gonna hopefully understand, number one, how much work it takes, like actually how much hard work it takes to grow a business, to be an active trader, to be successful in both of those things. But number two, hopefully this is gonna motivate you to take some steps, take some action steps to changing the situation that you're in if you're not happy with it. That's my biggest thing, is like, while we're showing you everything that we do through the vacations and the business and all of the trading and all that stuff, while we're showing you all of that, know that it's never meant to be like an insult or a jab, like, oh, you don't have this, we do kind of thing. We share it and we try to showcase it in this way to motivate you, to make you want to go change the situation that you're in if you're not happy with it. So we're gonna get these pictures done today. We actually, on our Black Shirt call today, talked about like the marketing and the business side of things and how in winter months, December, January, like it is right now, because trading slows down, this is great time to do new business stuff, whether it's work on another course, take new thumbnail cutouts, or just study your trades from the past couple of months. These slower months when the market's a little choppier, volume's a little lower because the big banks, the big traders are on vacation, these months are the best to really double down on your education, on your studying. So that's what we're doing. We're doubling down on the content to grow the business. I'm working on the next course. And of course we had our Black Shirt call to kind of review the trade. So we're not slowing down. So Rye, let's film these, let's take these pictures.
So people have been asking me if the market's gonna slow down this time of year, and if it does our signal still present?
I know a lot of people have been wondering, but it is a good question. It's fair. I think last year, December, it was 12 or 14 trades, and then January was only 4 trades, like I was telling you earlier this morning. So yeah, it definitely does slow down this time of year, but you don't have to slow down your routine. And that's what I've been telling everybody, to just stay on discipline, stay on routine, doing chart markups, waking up every day, still looking for trades. But I think it's important to be really picky this time of year, December, January, even into February. You have to think that, like, and this is what you can continue to tell everybody, remind them, bankers, big, institutions, federal banks, municipalities, all of these people, they work typically 9 to 5, a lot of them. So this time of year, they take a lot of vacation time, whether it's for Thanksgiving or Christmas or the New Year or whatever it is, they're on vacation. So if they're away from the desk, while we know algorithms and robots run the market, those orders are still going to slow down. They aren't as active if there aren't real people still overseeing. So since we know that, since we know those algos slow down because people pull away from the desk, I think it's just logic to say, yeah, it does slow down this time of year. So we just have to be disciplined. That's what I've been telling everybody. Be very focused on the rules. So I'm working on right now trying to find a new computer potentially for when we get back from this trip. But even this trip is a good thing to talk about when you say, does it get slow this time of year? We're going on vacation, work vacation, whatever the fuck you want to call it. We're working on vacation. We're doing that in December. We're leaving tomorrow to drive back to Philly. We're doing it now because the market gets slow this time of year. I know I'm not going to find as many trades as I would in August, September, October. So you got to be respectful of it. And it all kind of comes around in cycles. You know what I mean? Like, you know it's going to pick back up in the spring, and you don't want to lose your ass waiting for that time to come. And I was saying it to the guys on the Black Shirt call this morning. I still give new traders the advice that in the first 3 years, all you should be thinking about is surviving. So in these winter months, like a bear, we kind of want to hibernate and make sure we're not losing our ass. If you can pull out solid monthly gains, even in December, January, it's pretty impressive. So being picky is, I think, what will lead to that. What else you got?
We have to pack.
Yeah.
You have to clean the bathroom and scoop the litter.
Yeah.
And yeah, I just have to keep working on the marketing funnel stuff.
Good. So guys, I think what we'll do is wrap up the vlog, the first video of our 25 days straight of vlogging, making videos every day. We'll call it here. Tomorrow's video is going to be about the tech gear and the things that I'm bringing on the trip with us. It's going to be a little bit more, like I said, techie focused, so we can talk about exactly what I think you need to trade, travel, and run a business on the go from anywhere in the world with a Wi-Fi signal. So tomorrow's video will be live again in the evening. We appreciate you guys sticking with us through these experimental videos, vlogs, whatever you want to call them. Drop a comment below. Should we call it Vlogmas? Should we call it Forex Miss? Drop a comment, let us know below, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.